Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is adjective phrase 113. The adjective phrase today is hands-on. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot? Do it right now. Let's get right to it. If someone does a hands-on activity, it means one is actively involved in the participation of a particular activity. They don't just talk about it or let others do all the work or make all the decisions. Okay, let's continue. It is especially used with these nouns like hands-on experience, hands-on approach, hands-on training, hands-on participation, hands-on work, etc. Some think the adjective phrase hands-on may have derived from the phrase all hands on deck, which was a nautical term to call all the sailors to the deck for help. Remember, when we say nautical, that always had to do with sailing and shipping, because, for many centuries, we got a lot of terms in English that actually came from that. All right, let's continue. And we got 5 examples to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. After that company hires new employees, they usually have a hands-on training program. Okay. All right, number 2, interns work in hospitals so they can get some hands-on experience, like the ones that are training to be doctors. Number 3, that supervisor likes to take a hands-on approach with his employees or his workers. Okay. And all right, let's read the next one. Number 4, he has always been known as a hands-on manager. So he is that type of a manager. He's always there working directly involved with the employees, encouraging them, training them, things like that. And number 5, that school works with companies to set up summer jobs for students so they can have a hands-on learning experience of what it's like in the real world to have a job. Okay. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.